Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 367 Broad Street, Unit 3R in Cumberland, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the centralized kitchen. So pretty spacious kitchen area, plenty of room for any size dining set, along with plenty of room for other pieces of furniture. You got a good amount of outlets in here for electronics. The entire unit houses a new vinyl wood flooring, a nice coat of paint as well, wide open windows in each and every room, brings a lot of sunlight into this unit. And this kitchen area houses plenty of cabinetry, as you can see, up above and below. So you should have plenty of kitchen storage, along with new stainless steel appliances, including the new medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator, the single bin stainless steel sink, and the new 4-burner stainless steel stove and oven. Excellent. So a nice setup kitchen area you have here. Again, really spacious in here. I think you have plenty of options for furniture to be put in here. From the kitchen, we'll start checking out the bedrooms. You've got the master bedroom off to your left towards the back over here. Again, new floors, nice paint, wide open windows. This bedroom houses your own closet space. The other bedroom does not, just keep that in mind. But this bedroom does house its own closet. Recommended bed size, I would say a standard, the full Excel bed set is probably best for this bedroom. You could try swinging a queen. I think a queen would take up a lot of the space. But again, if you're looking for a queen bed set to be put in here, I think it can work. It's just gonna be a little tight. So honestly, my recommendation is a standard full Excel bed set. So that is the first bedroom. Next, we'll check out the second bedroom. Again, new floors, nice open windows, plenty of sunshine. This bedroom's actually pretty wide open. Honestly, I would say this bedroom might be better for a queen bed set if that's what you're looking for. Just keep in mind, once again, that this second bedroom does not have a closet space. If you're one single person, I think this room could work perfectly as an office area or potentially as your living room if that's what you're, of course, looking for. So this room offers plenty of opportunity for all kinds of setups for all kinds of different people. Sweet. Lastly, let's check out the bathroom. So bathroom is directly next to that second bedroom we were just looking at. You have the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go along the right side. And you have your sink area right next to that shower. Mirror vanity up above, some nice lighting. And again, bright, wide open windows, so lots of sunshine into this unit. So once again, this is 367 Broad Street, Unit 3R here in Cumberland, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.